Hello everyone, I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is Fortunate Gift Akelo II, and in today's very quick video I'm going to take you through research and AI. Our topic of discussion today is going to be about research and AI. So let's get our document that is going to be used as a guide and we get started. And here we are going to be speaking about research, and AI is artificial intelligence, and we're going to be exploring how AI is shaping the future of research and how AI is being used in various aspects of research in our day-to-day activities. So you could be wondering what research is. Research in simple terms is asking questions, exploring ideas and finding answers to quench your curiosity, to know more, and for any other purposes that you might be asking the questions for. And there are ways of doing research. We have the traditional way of doing research, which is through reading, through doing experiments, through performing analyses, and now these days everything has gone the tech way, where we're using artificial intelligence to assist us in the process. And artificial intelligence is a very powerful assistant because it's very quick, it's very fast, it's very reliable, depending on how you feed it, depending on how you command whatever AI you're using. And these days there are very many AIs we can use for various purposes. For example, we have the ChatGPT, we have the Meta AI, we have DeepSeek, and many others that you have come across before, or that your colleagues have told you about. So let's dive in now. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, these are computer systems that learn, they reason, they decide, just as human beings do, but only that they do all these things better and more accurately than we humans would have, relying on our human capabilities. We are also being told here that AIs are faster and more data driven than humans, and they use machine learning and deep learning to find patterns in such a way that the data that you are feeding AI, your questions, your feedback is accumulated, it's compiled and used to better your everyday experience, and the database for the AI to extract for you knowledge each time, to extract for you information each time you go looking for it. And now let's see how AI helps in research. Here we'll all agree that doing research the traditional way of reading a lot of books or performing experiments and analyzing all data or information in your own, it takes a lot of time, it's very hectic, it's tiresome, but AI has really helped us through data analysis. We can all testify. If you haven't, then take your time and go browse on the internet, find an AI and see how fast AI really processes your data. For instance, you can just give AI a command, you ask it something, then it processes your data very fast. It brings you from very many sources, relevant sources. So the first here is on the point of data analysis, where AI analyzes huge data sets in just seconds to extract for you the specific information that you want. And AI is also able to carry out predictions like forecast, weather forecast, climate. It can use data that it already has before to make predictions on health, on agriculture, and other things. And then AI is also automatic to help you reduce repetitive tasks. If you log in or you sign in into some of these AIs, it keeps your information such that next time you go back again, it picks up from where you have stopped without getting tired. And AI is also very creative. For instance, you can chat with an AI, you tell it about how your day was, you can ask it for solutions. There is a lot that you can actually do. Let's take real world examples. In the field of medicine, AI is used in cancer detection and drug discovery, in the sense that we have these computer systems where constantly symptoms of cancer patients are being fed, the signs, the treatment, and very many other things. So now, basing on the information that already is fed in the computer systems that are AI based, the next time a patient goes there, AI can now help relate the signs and symptoms to the ones that are already in its database to help detect whether it's a cancer, whether it's an ulcers or any other thing, and also for drug discoveries, mainly also based on the database, on the data that is already in the AI database. The same thing, it's being used in agriculture, it's being used in environment and very many other fields. Let's go to the next slide. And we have benefits and the challenges of AI. Of course, everything has its good parts and everything also has its challenges that are that come with its use. And the benefits, we can all testify, the speed, it's very good, the accuracy and the scale of discovery. Here it beats us hands down. The speed of AI, I bet there is no human being who can keep up with that speed. And the accuracy totally depends on what you feed into the AI, depends on your commands, it depends on your requests. And the challenges are also quite for instance, AI can be biased at times. It could be maybe because it does not know the things that you're feeding it, or maybe you're using some technical terms that it does not understand. And then there is also data dependency, ethics and responsible use. Those are now the terms and conditions of the use of AI. Of course, when you're online, when you're using the internet, there are etiquettes that you have to follow. You cannot just go there and just put anything that you feel like putting. You will have problems, so you have to use it responsibly and follow the ethics. And sometimes network is also a limiting factor. Then some other times, because AI is a model, when you ask it some things, it will just give you responses that could not even be related. We can say misinformation, that if you don't have an idea of what you're asking AI about, it can lead to serious misconceptions and misleadings. So however much we're going to use AI in our research, in our day-to-day activities, it's also good to use other means for research. You can go the traditional way, you can read your books, you can perform the experiments, you can do the analysis on your own to also compare the knowledge and see which is true and which is not true. And now in the future, if we are to try it and project, we even don't know at what level the use of AI would have reached about 15, 20 years from now. Maybe they'll totally be relying on AI, on robots, and so many others. And let's come to the end of our presentation today. Thank you. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe for more tech explorations, because I still have a lot in my package that is waiting for you. Thank you, and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel.